We suck at this.
Otto and Isaac, two 72-year-old men on a mission to save the sole bartender of the Soul Pub in Chiswick, the Broken Pigeon. Only one thing stands between them and their goal. Unfortunately, the thing is the Mafia. Having received specialist ninja training and extreme makeovers, the pair were suddenly and mistakenly thrust into the shoes of heroes. Otto and Isaac head to the police station, where they think they will be more of use. The quest to save Barkeep continues. I'm sorry, who are you again?
Detective, from Detective Sure. Sent from the Bank of Detectiveness to assist you with your latest case.
Listen to him. He's telling the truth. Got your back, bro.
Is that a Blockbuster membership card hanging around your neck?
Well, what?
So how's about that super special VIP staff only sparkly extra amazing token of goodness and love pass into everything you own?
You know what? I'm not in the mood to argue. Sure, just don't break anything.
Yes. Spanglicious I mean, Detective will not let you down, ma'am. It worked. I can't believe it worked. I thought the name would stump them. Nobody's middle name is Boniface.
Well, what now, Otto?
We need to get the relevant files out of the computer.
Alright. How do we open it?
Try that round glowing button in the middle.
Okay. It says, subsystem shutting down. What does that mean? Are we going to die?
Meanwhile... Ah yes, this is perfect. Absolutely perfect. They're right within my grasp. Let me guess. Mrs. Detective. What? Ooh. No. They're so old. And dumb. And I'm gay anyway. Oh. Hey. Will Otto and Isaac work out how to use a computer in time to solve the case? Will the Mafia woman get what she wants? Is Barkeep still okay? Only time will tell.